In this video, I'm going to show you tent assembly. So first, you're going to untie the fabric bag and take out all the contents. You should have a tent. You should have 4 plastic connectors. You should have 4 legs with silicone feet. And then you should have 4 pieces that have holes at the top right here for connection. I'll show you those. Looks like that. Okay? So first what we're going to do is we're going to assemble the poles. So you're going to stick the white connector pieces onto the legs here, and then just one by one connect each of the top pieces with the holes. And this should just take you a couple minutes here to assemble each one. Okay, now you're going to take your tent, unfold it, and you are going to find at the bottom where each one of these areas is right for the legs to go into. So there's 4 spaces for the legs to go into. And then you are going to find your top piece here with the hole in it, and you are just going to string it through. Doesn't matter which leg pocket you choose, just go ahead and get it all the way in, pretty much all the way to the end where the silicone little foot is. And then you're just going to keep going, find the next one. Here's the next one. I'm going to take the leg and push it through, again, just like that. Okay, now that I have my feet, we're going to go to the top here, and there will be these cords here. What we're going to do is just pretty much just string through each one of the holes in no particular fashion other than maybe do two for one of the strings and then 2 on the other strings. It really doesn't matter how you string them as long as you string them and get them through all the way. And then what I like to do sometimes is just go around them once and tie, or you can just simply tie just like that. Make sure it's tight. Tie it in a bow, and then you're ready to stand up the tent. So this is pretty straightforward. You're just going to place 2 of the legs down and then open the back 2 legs. And there you are. And then the tents also have ties, so you can go ahead and just tie each side. So that way you can fit your mattress right under. And that's it.